just do kadamtai. See, and wood fire. We put here satis. This is wood fire. I cook kadamtai today. I open the shell. I put in the kadamtai. Put salt now. Put pepper masala. Now boil and we eat kadamtai. This then will rise. Turn. See? Like that, do long. Now take it and put it in a plate. I do not like this. Now taste kadamtai.